do you think about at the start adding, we really appreciate your business, after you get that first invoice or something, and then moving in, how can we help you kind of thing?
Yeah, I'm fine with it. I'm fine with, just be kind of careful. Don't go too over the top with really appreciate your business, because again, and I hate to be negative here, but people are pessimistic by nature. And when we're like, I really appreciate this. This was awesome. Thank you so much. Kind of what they hear, and don't kill the messenger here, but what they hear is, did I pay too much? Right? Like, is there a reason why Lena's really appreciating my business? Am I the sucker that paid too much? Right? So I think I would rather, and I know you want to say you appreciate their business, I would rather just say, I love working with you. Right? I love working with you guys. Huge, another line I use all the time, huge fan of what you guys are doing, is a way to say I appreciate your business without, it's not disputable that maybe they're the ones that are paying more than everybody else. When I just say, I'm a huge fan, they're like, he's a huge fan. But when I say, I really appreciate your business, they're like, did we pay too much?
100%. Love that. Thanks, Matt.
Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.